Today we're really gonna dial in this 12 gauge beast of an air gun for 100 yards. What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at ya. Great follow-up episode today on last week's high horsepower episode, getting the Zeus dialed in between 25 and 50 yards. I want to go ahead and verify that I'm still on target at 50 yards and then immediately move it out to the 100-yard mark. I am almost out of ammunition. The ammunition that was working so good for me last week is almost depleted, so I only have so much ammo, but it works out because I've also only got so much air. I think I'm going to go ahead and preemptively tether for you gentlemen, even though I know you guys hate the hissing of a leaking something or other over here, and get right into it. Ears on. Left side target. That was so good. From my barrel to point of bullseye, instantaneously, absolutely depositing the heat on target. Let's go see if we blast it all the way through that bore. I don't have the air and ammunition to sit here and plank at 50 yards all day long. I'm gonna go out to 100 for you guys. Let's see what we did.
I'm gonna say you went right through it.
I think so too. Oh my goodness. I'm shocked. Yo, I'm shocked. I had no idea that that board was that strong. We literally dumped the better part of 1,000 foot-pounds of energy and still didn't get passed through. Crazy. Really surprising to see absolutely no pass-through on that board, guys. I'm blown away. Jim's ammo from TexomaPrecisionPellet.com still being used, still performing exemplary. Really look at what I got going on out at a distance. Give myself some solid. And I really want to just aim at the top diamond there.
You see where you're at.
It's a big hole.
Yeah.
It's a big hole. It ain't no 22. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Real cool.
Done here.
Let's go up with it. Whoop, that much. Same hold.
You're actually right there, dude.
Oh, I do see that. So I need to drag it to the right hand side, but I'm pretty much there elevation wise.
Yeah, come right, Ed.
Sick.
Bring it right.
Whoop, that much. I think my camera might be dead. Zeus restart. I'm gonna go again, just because I had a failure with the camera and I got completely effed up on my chi, and I want to make sure that I was taking care of my fundamentals while taking care of the fundamentals of the cameras.
Now you're a little right.
It's right there.
Yeah.
One.
Two of my top shows.
Hell yeah.
Almost bold, dude.
If we could do that a bunch more times, we'd be on.
There you are.
So it dropped again. I'm at 3,000 PSI though.
Wow.
That's gotta be it. Yeah, 3,000 PSI. This one says 2968. So basically at this point I'm low on pressure but probably close. God, I wish I had a field tank and I wish I had a field compressor. Time to just basically waste the rest of my tank shooting the gong, but what the hell, right? I mean, I feel like we got closer to success at 100 yards than we've ever gotten today. Let's see if we can't understand our pressure values, understand our holdover, and take the information that we've gained from this episode and just apply it to hit the steel. F***ing it up, dude. I'm f***ing it up. That's right. I don't care how low the pressure gets. If it breaks, it breaks. I'm gonna shoot all these.
Right below it, I think, or maybe to the left.
Hit. Hit on the swing. I'm getting them on the swing. How low can you go? We're at 2,700 PSI with a Zeus. Oh, it fell on the ground. Use it. Low.
Just underneath it.
Pressure says 2,600. Slap, dude. Yeah, I'm like waiting for it to come around and then whack. That's cool as hell, dude. Ooh, that's scary. I have a pin coming out of the side of my Zeus. I'm gonna shoot it this one time, and I'm gonna show you guys, and we'll take a look at it. Miss, but that's because I was kind of preoccupied mostly with this pin. It looks like this pin right here wants to kind of back its way out. I'm gonna tap it back in and keep giving that plate hell, but I am keeping an eye on it. You know what's terrifying about that? This is the pin that holds my transfer port in. The transfer port is where all the magic happens, you know what I mean? Spontaneously disassemble itself. All right. Under it.
You need a holdover, man. Hold.
No pressure left, 2,100. Oh, I'm aiming at the crossbar. I got 4 rounds left.
That was so close, though. I think you were a little left.
It's not even making it out there now.
Oh, that's the dirt fly.
It is making it out there. What is my pressure? 1,900 PSI and probably more energy than a Dragon Claw 2. That was anemic. But I got 2 left. I got 2 left. I have to use all of them. Either they get used or this gun breaks.
You're about 6 feet low. Oh, just under it.
Just under it.
Just.
Last shot. What's my pressure?
Aim for the trees.
1,500 PSI. Oh! I was over the crossbar like a foot. I think that we've absolutely answered exactly how low can you go with the AEA Zeus. It's this pressure, baby, and you're still gonna make it to 100 yards, likely with more energy than the Dragon Claw brings to the table in 50 caliber. 12 gauge truly is God's caliber, bringing the undefeated record to the hunting environment. I think it's gonna be a great place to end today's episode, but if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. You wanna see more high impact content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so you can stay current on the channel as well as when these videos come out. If you really like 12 gauge airgun content, make sure you share it so that somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.